Hi friends, welcome to our channel Farmer Greeks. We grow together. Today in this particular video, I'm going to expose the real truth about hops farming in India. Actually, you people may came to know that our hops journey started in our channel at February 4th, 2021 of this year. The same day, I published a video on that hop shoots that like that one of the Bihar farmer, his name is Amarendra Singh from Aurangabad district. He is doing particular hop farming, and Mr. Lal, who is working at Varanasi Horticulture Research University, and he is helping him to do the particular farming in Bihar and like that. Actually, that particular fake news actually is the fake news is got totally viral in all kind of social media, even in TV channels and all. Okay, immediately at the particular moment after completing that news, I started the work on the particular news. Even at that point of time, I called them. I called that university guys and asked them what exactly happened. Is there anything like that? Any law is helping him? What exactly the scenario is going on like that? What I came to know that actually I called them that Varanasi Institute guys. Actually, one Lal, his name is Dr. Lal. Actually, his phone number 9839480353. Actually, presently he is in Delhi. Actually, he is not working. He already retired. After that, I called one more Lal. His name is Roshan Lal. Okay, now he is at Kolkata. His number is 8299204381. I call him particularly. He is also telling no, we are not at all giving any suggestions. And actually, I already retired. I am not working over there. After that, one of the Telugu guy, his name is Suresh Reddy. His number 7376635332. Even I called them. He also told the same thing to me. Sir, actually, this is the fake news. Okay, even we are also bothering about the particular news. How the particular news is gone viral on that net and all. Okay, finally what I came to know that actually that particular news is totally false. That was true. So recently I did some study. Everyone is asking me, buddy, one thing. Actually our soils are okay. What are the temperatures? Even in India we can do the farming. Where we will get that seeds, rhizomes and cuttings and all. Actually our soil is totally okay. The temperature between 5 degrees to 25 degrees. Obviously we can do this farming. Actually in hops there are more than 100 varieties over there. Some varieties really suits to our Indian climate. There is no problem at all. Like Indian hilly areas like in Andhra, if you think about the Paderu and that Visakhapatnam district, like Araku, this is the beautiful place we can do that farming. And even in Madikeri, in Karnataka, in Himachal Pradesh, even in Jharkhand, many more places we can do that. Mostly we can do this by rhizomes only or by cuttings. Recently I had a word with that agricultural JD from horticulture department from Himachal Pradesh. Actually his name is Mr. Singh. Actually he told me that we will get that particular rhizomes and cuttings by November only. Okay, that time definitely we will get that. Even he given some information to me. Actually I asked him some questions like why these farmers failed at Himachal. Actually why they failed, they are not at all meeting their production levels. Okay, that is the reason some of the companies are in Himachal and all, they are doing their own gardens in America, and they are importing that hops, okay, the pellets from there. But here now also Bihar farmers are also doing that farming, but the company how much they need the pellets, and these guys are not able to produce. Okay, so that even there was no government subsidies, and they are doing in organic. There is no spending on much spending on investments and all. Government is also not interfering on this kind of things. So there should be a failure kind of thing for the particular farmers from Spiti Valley from Himachal Pradesh. Even I spoken with the guys. Okay, one plant was there. The name is Aromatrix Flora Private Limited. This particular plant is situated in Baddi. That address was that plot number 242 in Himachal Pradesh industrial area, Baddi, Himachal Pradesh 173205. Their phone number was 01 795244901. Even I spoken with them. What exactly happened? We are planning for hops farming. You people will buy that particular hops, whether it is the wet or dry or pellets and all. They told no. Actually, this is a niche product. At that time they want for brewing and all. That time the farmers in the local area can't able to produce that particular production, okay, the hops and all. That's the reason they are bringing that hops from outside the countries. Even in our India also, there are many more people don't know about that vegetable. Only they know about 1 kilo about 1 lakh, like that, the fake news they know. But it is not that easy. Even I studied a bit inside the wet hops near about 1 pound, means it's a half kg, near about $5 to $6. Okay, mostly people go for wet hops. Some will go for dry. Dry means near about 1 pound, $10 to $12. And pellets, okay, most of the brewing companies all over the world, like US, Canada and China, wherever it may be, they are only looking for the pellets only. The pellet cost is near about $14 to $20. And most of the people are asking how to make the pellets and all. Actually, there are some machines kind of things were there. We make pellets means small pieces, okay, that is in pressurized form. We have to sell them because these are having pellets are having some life, okay. Mostly in Indian brewing, the companies are looking for these, but they can't able to get the pellets and all in local, so they are not working on that. But this is a very much growing industry and all. And one more thing, even I studied for 1 acre, how much cost it is having for getting that hops farming and all. Generally, it will cost up to 3 lakh, including all, means the land, the land plowing, and that actually we need to go for some trellis methods. We need to go for some kind of polling and all, and even rhizomes, okay. One single rhizome it will cost near about $5 to $6 from US, okay. The variety Cascade, it suits our Indian soil. For 1 acre, near about, if you go for 1,000 plants also, it will cost you near about 60 to 70,000 rupees with all import and all. After that, we need to bother about that harvester. Actually, for hand picking with that labor and all, it is really cost effective, so we don't want to go for that labor kind of thing. That is the biggest failure. We have to use for some harvesters. After that, we need to go for some cold storage, even though we don't have any cold storages in a particular scenario, so it is a bit difficult for us to do that. After that, we have to go for pelleting machines. Once the pelleting will done, we need to make it that vacuum packing. Then we need to sell them. The particular the amount is near about $4 to $20. That depend upon place to place, okay. Actually, even I did some study, okay. All the hopes from the farmers in and around the world are really succeeding in that particular, okay. No, sometimes they will fail because the industry wants the particular hopes, means once they do that seedling and all, it will come up to near about 10 to 15 years, okay. There are many more studies were there. So suddenly, if the brewing company wants some other kind of hops and all, they need to change that entire their farm, okay. In that case, they have to spend much more money on the particular. Again, they need to start their farming work from zero. In that case, some of the people were failing, but okay, they should have some good cooperation between the farmers and that brewing. Most of that foreign guys, what they are doing, they are having their own brewing units, and they are doing their own farming, and they are brewing, and they are selling that hops beer. That is having lot of market in India. Even this is gonna be increased 20-fold in the coming years. Okay, after that I did some other study whether we are going to be start the particular hop industry. It is having excellent money involving in this, means we need to form an FPO. Actually, for forming an FPO, 10 farmers were required. We need to form the FPO, then only we should start from ground level. Even I am working on that, okay. If you people wanted to join in the particular FPO, please comment on me or just add my WhatsApp group. Even I will provide you the WhatsApp link and all. Even I am working on that project reporting and marketing. Even we will bother for the government subsidy and all. If everything will goes good by this year, by September or October, we should form that the hops related hop forming FPO, and we will start the journey. Mostly by November only we will get that. Everyone is asking, I want to buy that seeds and all. Please don't buy anything right now. The right time is November. Thank you. Thanks for watching our channel Farmer Geeks. If you have anything, please comment me.